Hello. So school's over, it's summertime, and my room is so messy. It needs to be cleaned so badly. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. I just graduated. I didn't film any graduation stuff because I just wanted to enjoy the moments. I don't know if it would have made for very entertaining content. Now it's time for me to clean my room, so that's what I'm gonna do. It's probably gonna take me more than one day because it's really bad. Yeah. So, here we go. I think the first thing I'm gonna do is just try and take everything off the floor and put it onto my bed. Also, that's my grad dress right there. Isn't it literally beautiful? It should probably go downstairs now, but now I'm gonna take everything off the floor. Also, my ceiling light is broken, so this is as bright as it's gonna get in here. So that took me like half an hour, and now I have to vacuum my floor because it's really messy and dirty. Everything is on my bed right now. I'll just give you a little... You see? Everything is on my bed or on the chair. So I'm just gonna vacuum my room and then start putting stuff away. So this is where we're at for today. Considering that I ran a lot of errands today and I did take a break to go swim and lay out in the sun, I think I made some pretty good progress. We'll pick back up tomorrow and we gotta put away my clothes and remake my bed. But then that's pretty much it. So I think it's going good and I will see you in the morning. Hello, it's day 2. We have to clean up this and more stuff. My hair is just out of the shower, so it's don't look at it. But yeah, let's get to it. All this stuff that was on the floor has now been put in its spot, and now I have to... That's a stuffed animal under that large lump. Now I have to remake my bed because I have to put away my clothes, and I don't want my clothes to be on the dirty bed. So we're we're stripping the bed, and yeah. Okay, so I'm waiting for my duvet cover to dry, and my pillowcases and stuff. So while I wait for that, I have a bunch of grad gifts that I need to put away, but they're all in a pile downstairs. So I'm gonna bring up my grad gifts and then put them all away while I wait for my sheets to dry. So it turns out that most of the stuff I got for grad gifts is stuff that I won't need till I move out. And I'm actually staying home for this school year, because lots of stuff is online and everything. So I won't need that stuff right now, so that stuff's not gonna be in my room. But stuff like jewelry and cards and stuff obviously is gonna come in my room. And I got a new garbage can because this one is just well, you can look at it, and also my dog, because there's no lid, my dog likes to eat out of it. So we're gonna be setting up this bad boy instead. This means we can now move on to probably, oh no, maybe not. we're gonna move on to what I think is our last component. I'm not sure, but putting away all my clean laundry because I have so much clean laundry. So.
That looks like it's in there to me. See, that's why I wanted an extra wire to be able to hook this all up.
Oh, hey. Alright, so it's been about 5 days since my last clip. I have light in my room now. Maybe you can't see, but there's a light in my room now. Yes, I'm wearing the same shirt. I washed it. Also, I did cut my hair, but we're just not gonna address it right now. So what I'm gonna do now is put all the stuff that I'm gonna donate in a bag, because all that stuff is going to like I'm donating it. So been like 2 months. School starts in 2 days, and my room has never looked worse. A little bit of context. Since that last clip, I moved out to my grandparents. I worked all summer lifeguarding and teaching swimming lessons, and now I have moved back home. I am starting university because of COVID and just because of other reasons. Most of my classes are online. I am staying home for this first year, so that means I need to set up a space to do my online classes. And I haven't shown you yet, but it's bad. So we are going to start again from scratch and work our way back up to where we were last time and get even farther than that. So let's just show you what we're working with this time. Before you start judging, I want to say that I have not been living here. I have been, every time I come home, it is to stay for like one night and then go back because I have work. So like things just get set down and unpacked and then I leave again. Enjoy the ride.
I've gotten everything off the floor, and it's now like on the chair and the desk. But now I'm going to tackle this giant pile of clothes, and then we'll tackle the chair and the desk. All the stuff that was on my floor, all the stuff is like now put away, and now I have to tackle the desk and the chair. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Hello, it's the next day. School starts tomorrow. This is where we're at. You can't really tell. I'm honestly just tired of cleaning. I just want to relax before school starts. So like, I'm sure there's more stuff I could do, but I'm just gonna do like some finishing touches, put a bit of stuff away, change my sheets, and just like tidy up stuff. And then I'm just gonna be done with it. I just want it to be livable. So I'm pretty much done. We're just gonna speed through the last couple stuff. Okay, so I'm done cleaning. I just can't do any more. So here's the finished product. It's just clean. It's just my room, same as before, but now it's clean. So here's the before and after. So there's my video. I hope you enjoyed it. I don't really know what's happening with this video. I just kind of, I need motivation to clean or else I won't do it. So that's why I filmed it. And I also hate cleaning, as you maybe could tell by the fact that I kind of just put everything away and then gave up. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe. This lighting is really weird. This is better. I have a TikTok you can follow. I will see you in the next one. Bye.